The top 5 best CNC machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Mitsui 2-in-1 7000 MW CNC 3018 Pro Engraver Machine. Wood carving has never been easier than with this 3-axis CNC router from Mitsui. Perfect for more advanced CNC users who can navigate the GRBL control software. This tool engraves, carves, and mills wood. It can also cut different materials such as bamboo, leather, metal, or ceramic. In addition, there is an option to use the offline controller that doesn't require access to a computer. The assembly instructions are available on the company's website, and customers noted that the assembly process was relatively easy. Recommendation number 2. Viver CNC 3018 PRO Router Machine. The affordable price of this machine makes this the best router for beginners on a budget looking to enter the CNC routing world. An offline controller allows users to change settings without using a computer and comes with Windows XP, 7, 8, or 10 operating systems. This tool also comes with a brick power supply that works on 24V. At this price point, it is hard to complain. Raved one buyer. All the 3D printed parts have been replaced with nicely finished ABS parts. The 2020 extrusions are well and cleanly cut, requiring minimal deburring. Recommendation number 3. RAT-TM Motor 3018 PRO CNC Wood Router Machine. With 42 stepper motors and control, board outfitted with a fan to cool the unit. This DIY kit CNC router by RAT-TM Motor is another affordable tool for dyers. Perfect for small home woodworking projects. The spindle speed reaches 20,000 RPM and has a stepper drive that comes with short-circuit protection, limit switches, and offline recognition. One reviewer commented, "Other CNC engravers require you to fiddle and futz with the alignment. Not this one. I am impressed at what one gets for the money. Everything is included to get you engraving." Recommendation number 4. Bob CNC Quantum CNC Router Kit. With one of the larger cutting areas to choose from with a rail system of 24x24 inches, which can also be expanded, this Evolution Force CNC router makes engraving projects look easy. The X and Y-axis run on a belt drive, while the Z-axis runs on an Acme nut for more stability. The spoil board includes a Makita multiple speed router, and the control system works with the Arduino-based microprocessor. One customer who purchased 2 previous versions of the Bob CNC kit wrote, "Both of those machines were good, but the EV4 is an order of magnitude better in fit, form." Recommendation number 5. Orchard Laser Engraver. Any hobbyist without a designated workspace would be hard-pressed to find a more affordable tool in such a compact size with the features found on this mini Orchard CNC engraver. This laser engraver comes with optimal safety protection, including a sensor that shuts down once unprogrammed movements are noticed. If, for any reason, the laser or motor stops moving or the machine's position is altered, the laser will immediately turn off. This unit is compatible with Mac OS and Linux and Windows. One customer explained, "It's a great tool for adding custom images or logos to some woodwork.